What's up guys, welcome back to Motorevs 27. Today we're taking a closer look at the 2027 Yamaha YZ450F Monster Energy Edition, a motocross machine that combines championship-winning performance with one of the most iconic looks in racing. At first glance, you might think it's just a graphics package. But once you dig deeper, you'll find that Yamaha has packed in some meaningful refinements that make this bike more than just a factory-inspired showpiece. Starting with the looks, the 2027 Monster Energy Edition features the official Monster Energy Yamaha Racing livery. The black and blue color scheme, combined with the aggressive bodywork, gives riders the closest thing to a factory race bike straight from the dealership. Under the bodywork sits Yamaha's proven 450 cubic centimeters DOHC 4-stroke engine. It features the brand's unique reverse cylinder head design, forged aluminum piston, 39mm titanium valves, and dry sump lubrication. The result is strong, usable power across the entire rev range, delivering the kind of acceleration and throttle response riders expect from a top-tier 450 motocross machine. But Yamaha didn't stop at engine performance. The advanced aluminum bilateral beam frame has been carefully tuned to balance rigidity and flex, improving stability, cornering confidence, and rear-wheel traction. Whether you're attacking deep ruts or charging through rough sections, the bike is designed to feel lighter, more agile, and easier to control. One of the biggest updates for 2027 is the all-new compact rear braking system. Yamaha redesigned the rear caliper, master cylinder, brake disc, and even the brake hose components to reduce weight by approximately 180 grams. The result is improved braking feel, more predictable stopping power, and better control entering corners. Suspension duties are handled by Yamaha's class-leading KYB setup. The fully adjustable speed-sensitive system fork and high-performance rear shock continue to offer exceptional bump absorption and rider feedback, helping you push harder lap after lap. And of course, Yamaha's Power Tuner app remains one of the best tools in motocross. So, is the 2027 Yamaha YZ450F Monster Energy Edition just about factory looks? Not at all. With upgraded braking performance, a refined chassis, proven KYB suspension, and cutting-edge tuning technology, this bike delivers real improvements beneath that stunning Monster Energy livery. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments.